President yami introduce lana ilana esidibeni ivakashele ukuthi yakhona izo-encourage. My President, over to you.
Greetings to you and greetings to your viewers. My name is Kunjo Tsibane, the President of the MK Youth League. We are here in Sedibeng region as the MK Youth League to assess our youth members who have been deployed to execute the work of the MK party. I'm happy to say that young people are active in this ward 35. Young people are party agents. Young people are volunteers of the movement. They are assisting in terms of in our gazebos, checking all the members who are coming to verify themselves, and even taking them inside to go and vote. They are even fetching them, all the old people, our grands and our grandfathers, to bring them here to vote for MK party. I can safely say that as the MK Youth League, we are happy because we have youth members who are active. But we're hoping in next stage, in local government election, young people will be contesting, especially in this ward.
Okay, thank you, Malida. Malida, you know, Muzo one for EU Yalana. EU Yalana, as you tell, is very active. Iyayithanda MK party. I've got imibuzo ukuthi i-youth league iyathanda ukuthi i-national ike ivisite izo-assessa not because senza ama-elections. So bengithanda wena ubatshele ngokwakho as president of i-youth league ukuthi na what are we planning as youth league isidibeng siyiplanele in future, and this is the first by-election la isidibeng. If we win it,
Okay, one I can say to the young people of this region, we have appointed a provincial detachment in this province of Gauteng. We have appointed a regional detachment of Sedibeng. Now we will be building sub-regional structures and ward structures and VT structures for young people, so that we can be organized and make it feasible for us to mobilize young people in this region. Now as national, we have adopted our POA. We'll be in Gauteng, but I don't know if we're coming to Sedibeng or other regions. I don't know. I can't say that for now.
okay.
But as a provincial detachment as well, they'll be submitting their own POA to us, which will give us a clear induction, insight of where is the province of the where is the province of the youth league going across the province in terms of programs. Then we'll be also expecting a regional detachment POA, which will give us insights in terms of how is the plan for young people in this region. Now as national, they can invite us in their programs will be available, but I'm hoping with consultation with my structure, we will be coming here to Sedibeng before election.
Hani Zwele Youth League, ide placast ilana. Kwaza mkhonto kwaza.
Kwaza.
Thank you, my President.
Thanks, my league.